Do you mouth breathe at night? And because of that mouth breathing, does that make your snoring even louder? Well, there is an easy fix. It's called mouth tape. Now, there are many, many brands of mouth tape on the market, and all of them are just variations in the type of tape and the type of adhesive they use. But I just want to take a quick second to teach you how to efficiently use mouth tape. So at night, once you've washed your face and you are ready to go to slumber, you're going to take a piece of tape. Once you take that piece of tape, do not immediately apply it to your lips. There is a lot of adhesive on this. So what you're going to do first is place it on the back of your hand, get rid of some of those dead cells, and decrease some of the adhesiveness to the tape. Then, once you've done that, just simply place your lips together and then apply the tape. That's all there is to it. Doing that at night will stop your jaw, your mandible, from opening up. And all of a sudden, you've closed off part of your airway, and there's your snoring.